Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today, as you can see by the thumbnail, I want to do a little bit of a walk around on the new Prusa XL 3D printer. So I'll get the camera turned around and we'll do a little bit of a walk around and show you what this thing is all about. So, as you can see, this is the new Prusa original XL printer. It's got a 14-inch print bed on it, and this is the Z-axis, and it moves down as you print. X and Y-axis in here, and it's got two print heads that come off of a dock and lock into here. The spool holders are on the side, and the LCD panel is right here. There's a few things on the setup mode that you probably want to double check. When you put the filament into the sensor and into the head, you've got to kind of have to pull this tube out of here and get that filament in there to get the sensor calibrated properly. And then on the print head, when you calibrate the load cell, you've actually got on the nozzle, you've got to actually push that nozzle up pretty hard to get it to calibrate properly. And on my printer, I had to unhook and replug in the ribbon cable that controls the LCD to the back panel to get this to communicate properly. But overall, I did a test print with it and it seems to be pretty good. I'll kind of compare the size of this to my original Prusa Mini, and I'll get this thing turned around and you can have a look and see basically how much larger this printer is than the Mini printer. So, size comparison, here's my Mini, which has a 7-inch square bed versus the Prusa XL. So here's the XL, and you can kind of see the Mini. If I get back here in the background, you can see how much larger this printer is versus the Mini printer. Huge difference. I'll turn this thing on here. We'll get it all fired up. We'll show you what it looks like when it fires up. So your power switch is back here. It's got Wi-Fi. This is going to load up here on the LCD panel. The heads light up green, ready to go. And then it's got LED lighting that lights up on the frame rails of it here. And then again, like the Mini, you've got a control dial here that you can go in between different things on the control panel. Again, it's pretty bright here, so I don't know if they'll light up, but you can kind of just see them changing there. And your USB port. And then this lighting will go dim if you don't touch the printer. So I have done a little bit of a test print with it, and it seems to work very well. Again, size comparison, there's the Mini, and there's the XL. This is a shot of the screen to show you the size of the bed and a piece laid out here. This is the Prusa slicer. If I actually take this and change to the Mini, you can kind of see where that print is on the Mini, and it won't print outside this the borders here because this emblem's this Chevy emblem's too big. So if I go back to here again and I select the XL, you can see that I can print this on this printer no problem. So that's just basically a screenshot of the Prusa original XL slicer. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of a walk around on the new Prusa XL 3D printer. Once I get it up and running, well, sorry, it is up and running now and calibrated. And once I get something on there that I want to print, I'll bring you back and show you how it prints. So thanks again for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we're just about, we're 105 or 106 people away now from 1,000 subscribers. So remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. You're helping the channel grow. Thanks to everyone that did subscribe or has subscribed. And we'll talk to you guys on the next one. Later. Bye now.